Mountain home artist Randy Miller was looking for a challenge and found an empty wall in the alley behind Curly's Bar in downtown Mountain Home to make it happen. Our photojournalist Paul Belkey found it too and found out how this man is trying to change Mountain Home one penny at a time.
I like to be unique, something a little different, and I wanted to target Mountain Home just to get people to get a landmark going. And then I came up with, well, maybe I can add a penny wall, add a little small penny wall. I started in April of 2011, and I said, okay, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this big. It's 9 feet high by 33 feet wide, and made out of foam boards for the depth, because I just don't want a straight penny wall. I wanted some character, so I want some meaning to it. So what I added is, the Mountain Home Mountain Home lettering in nickeling. There's clouds. There's going to be the tree over there. It's going to be all pennies. So I'm gluing it one by one. I'm trying to help Mountain Home out to get people to actually walk around downtown to shop. That's the main reason why I'm doing this.
This is going to be unique in this country. So we know that people will, YouTube and everything else will pass it on, and people that are passing through will come visit Mountain Home. It's just added attractions that are going to have people from the visitor center from downtown spend money in our town, shop local.
What I created was a wishing wall down here, and what it's designed for, people can actually make their own wish, put it on the wall, and leave it there. And I put glue in the businesses around here, and I want people to go in, ask for the glue, so people go actually into business or see what's inside, like a candy store or the insurance company or the other businesses around. I'm going to throw a little party after I get done with this because it took a little while to do. Want to pay?
I got one for you, Randy. I'm glued to your story. How wonderful. Randy did this all for free, but didn't want to just say how many pennies he used to make that mural, saying it would be a great project for students to figure out how many pennies it took to cover the surface area. Now he expects to be all done in a few days.